Hello, it's Mike. Did you know that you can edit images in OneDrive? Well, I'm going to show you how. First off, log into your OneDrive account at portal.office.com. Sorry, into your Office account. Click on the 9 dots in the top left and then click on OneDrive. Now your file needs to be in a folder that is synced to OneDrive, so you can access it here. So mine is on the desktop. Open the image and then in the top left you'll see edit. Click that and this opens the editing page. Now this bar at the bottom you can rotate left or right. You can also crop. You can rotate left or right here. You can switch the image around. At the top, if you click on adjustment, there's all sorts of options here for you to play with. And reset button is there as well. Click on filter, there's several different filters for you to choose from. And then on markup you have the option to write or draw on the image as you see fit. And then there's an eraser as well. Thanks for watching, hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give it a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.